Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have another Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 smartphone for you. So this is the latest model from Meizu. It's a new Meizu 21, the newest flagship model from Meizu, and this time we have the white edition, the 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition, and this phone is long time waiting smartphone from Meizu, and as we can see, it's a very simple design, and the aluminum framework looks so high-end. Actually, I really like the design from Meizu, and the simple design, and also the back panel is used the matted glass and pure white. Even the front panel is bright and straight screen, not cover screen. This time they use a 6.55-inch to 120Hz refresh rate, 1080p Samsung E6 OLED screen, and they support PWM dimming and Gorilla Victor's glass. They use Gorilla Glass and 1920 PWM. Display resolution 2340 by 1080, and peak brightness 1100 nit, and also this time the processor, they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, and it supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. So it's also flagship certification. This phone used, yes, and also the refresh rate is changeable and adjust it. And besides the screen, and this time they also used 4800 big battery with 80-watt cable charging, and compatible with 65-watt PD fast charging.
小溪，
And of course, we should talk
明天
about
天气
the
怎么样？
camera. This time the front camera is 32 megapixel front
小
camera,
溪，小溪，
5P lens f
明天天气
2.4,
怎么样？
and main camera is 200 megapixel Samsung SK at 5K HP3 camera for 7P lens, and also it supports the AI functions. You can call Josie to wake up the assistant of the AI. Also use the 12 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel deep focus. Here we can get some very simple test of the camera. Check the performance about the camera. And the things I should mention is the very narrow bezels. This time for Meizu, they use the world's narrowest front bezels, and so this makes this phone to be very beautiful, and the screen to body ratio is very higher, over 95%. And also they use the on the screen ultrasonic fingerprint, totally cool. And also the white color, even the front panel uses the white color, and the side, the dimensions about this device is 156, 75, and 7.9 mm. If we compare to another device we hands-on, is smaller and thin, so and also it's with light, just 198 grams. Is, yes, it's a bit lighter and smaller and than the Realme GT5 Pro, and the design language is totally different. The straight screen and the curved screen, the camera zone is the vertical triple camera system, and also a circle camera zone, so it's totally different, these two devices. Both of them the new model from the brand Realme and Meizu. We check check it. Yes, if you like a high specification device with a simple design, you can choose Meizu. And it's not everyone will like it, but it's really, really beautiful. And if you want to attract the appearance and more colorful colors, you can choose the Realme GT5. And the camera of the GT5 Pro is a bit better. Yes, so this is more pictures, we can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Let's see the video more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.